So baby, give me a more, and I'll play how you want me to. I can get enough of you. I can get enough of you. The way you do the thing that you do. I can get enough of you. So baby, give me a high, and we'll flow like we're hypnotized. I can get enough of you. I can get enough of you.
Breakfast has arrived.
Yum yum. That's the French toast.
French toast.
That's what did you get?
I got Farmer Hill breakfast. That's what it's bacon, sausage, eggs, steamed rice.
I got caldo, arroz caldo or something like that.
With the toffee coffee frap. Caramel frap.
You and I can improvise. Heat it up or stay in the low tonight. So baby, give me a high, and we'll flow like we're hypnotized. I can get enough of you. I can get enough of you. The way you do the thing that you do. I can get enough of you.
We're in room, what room are we in?
651.
We're in 651. When you're done getting a tan, could you, She don't like when I do that. It's a nice view. Alright.
I'm holding on to him because
Look, we're just trying to shoot a video of us going down underwater, and for some reason it'll be like this, and it's trying to way out over there. 3, 2, 1.
Three, 2, 1.
I can get enough. I can get enough. Am I right for believing we are both out of our minds? And all the craziness is something
People are gonna
that we
question
like. And we hate with our eyes open, but we love like we're blind. I can get enough of you. I can get enough of you. The way you do the thing that you do. I can get enough of you. I can get enough of you. The way you do is the way I like it. I can.
All right, we're going on our date to TGI Fridays because we love TGI Fridays. No, that's also because I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. as the saying goes, we're stuck in a pickle because our only transportation is either taxis or rent out a car. We're gonna figure this out. We have a couple places, we have a couple stops to go to. Yeah, let's see how TGI Fridays goes.
Temperature normal. Temperature normal.
Ooh, look at that. Thank you. Told the bartender, if this is empty, bring me another one. Brought me another one. Didn't even have to ask. It just came by. I love that man. Alright, this is a little... Oops, I have literally missed. Alright, pre-anniversary shots. Love you, baby.
Oh no, way you do is the way I like it. I can't get enough.
What's that? You gotta do turtle watching. That's awesome. Where are the turtles? Are they far?
Outside.
You wanna go see your family? You wanna see your family?
Yeah, the turtle fam. Yeah, they're out there waiting for us.
So you're gonna take cash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me my wallet.
So one kayak is 20, yeah?
Sounds good.
You wanna sit on the front or back? How do you feel out here?
I'm having a workout. I want to be in the water.
I'm about to jump in soon. We're trying to get closer because they told us like not to go past a certain point, and I think we passed it. We're like way past it. This is relaxing. I'm trying to help babe. That shit was intense. I don't know if you guys fell down there with us. That shit was intense. We lost the GoPro under the water. That guy's like found it. He was like, I know where you guys were.
First time kayaking. I rate this a 9.7 out of 10.
Besides the point when it flipped over because I was going snorkeling.
I wish I recorded the kayak flipping. Oh my god. We almost lost its camera. Tomorrow's our anniversary, officially. It's been a great week out here in Guam, San Francisco, Hawaii. It's a good experience.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. Yeah, I can't get enough. No, I can get enough of you.
Perfect.
Is it taking it?
Good videos.
So that would be $12.
Okay. Wow.
Take a right on it.
Yeah.
Hold on, a right on it.
Yes.
conclusion. Rather be really worth sitting in silence than on my cellular, feel it compliant. But in the comments like you need to try it, you need to buy it, you need to lie.